that perception changes. Okay, you will have to cut this out, bro. I know we are not paying you enough, but please cut all these things, bro. Okay, I don't know what to say to that. Fuck that. Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party.
I met my love when I was in 8th, I guess.
Good morning, Yashwant.
Good morning. First of all, you guys don't pay me enough, and then you wake me up early in the morning for a podcast.
Which show do you think you are on? You're not on Coffee with Karan. This is Aam Aadmi podcast. Where is
why Aam Aadmi podcast?
Dude, you just look. Where are you sitting? You're sitting in your room on a Zoom call, which is basically free. I am sitting in my studio apartment where you can actually see my kitchen there, and my wife is going to kill me for showing that. Huh? And you're asking why Aam Aadmi? Okay, let me explain my version of what I think this podcast should be. Right. So Aam Aadmi podcast is something that came into being when we both had a discussion initially on this particular topic. So what initially I thought was that the voice of a common person should reach a bigger audience, which is not happening now. If you switch on your TV, if you go online, the only things you see are propaganda news. The only things you see are paid fake news, which is just getting, circulated a lot. So in the sea of negativity that is there, I thought it will be refreshing to have a little bit of positivity poured in when you speak to a normal person, an Aam Aadmi, and get to hear his story from him. I truly feel that every person has an interesting story to tell. The only thing is that either they're not pushed enough to tell that, or they don't get an option to tell it. So that's how the idea came into my mind. But you tell me, once I told you this idea, how did you come up with the name? Name was from your side.
It's evident it's from AAP, the political party.
Do you have affiliation to AAP? Is this a paid program from AAP? The nation wants to know.
At least make that happen, at least.
Hopefully. We will reach there soon. When we reach there, we'll have another video. No. We are completely against propaganda. Just we show the exact views of a common person. It may be wrong. I'm not saying a common person is always right, but at least that view should be voiced outside. Yeah, the perspective should be it should come outside. It's like now, whatever is happening in India or in the world, if you take, whatever is happening is that there is a perception that is being generated and everyone is supposed to think in that way. Anyone who does not think in that way is considered to be an outcast. Ideally, we need to ensure that the perception changes. It's like for the people, by the people, and of the people. That's what we are. Yeah, I went in a different dimension altogether. Right? You did not expect that. What I was trying to explain is that this is a series by the Aam Aadmi people. We are literally Aam Aadmi. We are nobodies right now. Right?
True. That is, yeah.
We are doing a video for the Aam Aadmi. And entire content will be the stories of an Aam Aadmi, right? So I think people would like to see how a normal person lives. Now, I think you take any example, anything for that matter, right? You keep comparing yourself to a screen character, which cannot be possible.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like, for example, we take movie reviews. They run critics who give reviews, and they are professionals. But the movies are made for the audience. Like the audiences are the customers.
True, very true.
So,
very true.
app is all about maybe taking the review of the customer rather than a professional person who is meant to give a review.
So you're saying it will be a sophisticated version of earlier in TVs we used to see, people will come after the film is over, they'll come with the cameras and they'll be like, how did you find the film? Wasn't good? They'll be like, bound, super. So this is a little bit more sophisticated version of that.
Sophisticated, it's COVID, no, we can't go out. That's why we are doing this. We are just getting people on our podcast.
Yes.
But no, I think we can see, outside there, people just say, super 30, 100 days, 150 days, it is super, it is super. But no, there are actual film lovers who would want to, or who would want to share their perception on how some shot was taken, or how someone acted, or how a screenplay was. I mean, they might not be very technical, but end of the day, they are the ones who is buying the product, which is the
Those
movie.
key takeaways from the movie they loved a lot and that they could relate
Yeah.
to. So how do you plan to bring people onto the platform? That's one question which I wanted to ask you. Like, I understand that initially we'll be calling those whom we know have a beautiful story to tell, who is comfortable to come onto a stage and who will actually push other people also to come forward and speak. But then when I was thinking that, I thought that will just be a small group of people who are our friends or our mutual friends or someone whom someone of our friend knows. We will not be able to reach to the crowd. How will we be able to reach to that particular crowd, which we want?
Once we generate traffic, let's invite our viewers
Ah,
as guests. Like, if someone wants to talk about a certain topic, let's get them on and let's listen to their perspective or perception on a certain thing.
how do
It
we select these
doesn't
viewers?
have to be.
Do we ask them to come forward and leave us a message? Because I don't think anyone will do that. So should we
Comments,
ask them to
YouTube
comment on it?
comments. Yeah, we'll ask them to comment on our videos, or maybe DM us on Instagram, like slide into our DMs.
Oh, yeah, that's not gonna happen. But
Okay.
we'll give it a shot. That's a very interesting idea. Just to set things in motion, tell us about your love story.
Tell us about my love story. Yeah, I met my love when I was in eighth. I guess I discovered it then. Then eventually in 12th is when I was taking it seriously.
By the time
So
she
in
had
that
already got a
second year, I
boyfriend.
decided. Sorry?
By the time she had already got a boyfriend.
No, no, no. We were together. Like our relationship started. It was a growing, budding story. By
Naughty,
second year,
naughty.
I was sure like it was going to be a major part of my life, and that's my camera. So
I like what you did there. I have the same story, but the thing I fell in love with was food. And that's why I'm this.
see, loving food is not the reason why you're like that.
Uh,
Not doing enough is the reason you're like that.
anyway, we are both in the same paradigm there. So we can
Yeah,
both.
I shouldn't be the one talking about it. It's a suggestion.
I think we have explained pretty well on what Aam Aadmi podcast is all about. And I hope people have understood what the concept is all about. I think it's time that we bring on an interesting guest, an Aam Aadmi, onto the screen next week for them so that they can see and experience what this is all about. I think anything you want to add?
How are you? Whom are you going to get next, or what are you going to talk about next?
Let it be a surprise. Let it be a surprise. This is just a experimental kind of show which we are trying here, and this will entirely work on the feedback given by you guys. So let us know on what you feel, what you think. Comment onto the video. Let us know if you want us to make any changes. Let us know if you want to be part of the video. Just comment your views on the video and we'll reach out to you and you will be part of our next video. And you can tell us your interesting story. You tell us about your love affairs, something of that sort. We'll make it interesting. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. We will have an interesting conversation next. Looking forward to having you on the screen next time because this fellow will anyway not come on the screen. I had to beg him literally to make him come on the screen this time. So
See, begging and bullying are two different things.
we are brothers, bro. We are bound to do that. Anyways, so chalo, we'll look forward to having you on the screen next time. Do comment. Let
Thank
us
you,
know
thank you.
on
Yeah.
your thoughts and
Please comment, like, share, and subscribe
subscribe.
to our
The
channel.
usual YouTube thing that you hear at the end of the video. Do that, please.
Yes.
Chalo, guys. Namaste, and we'll meet.
Chalo.